If you're big on skincare, chances are you've heard of the term elastin. This stretchy protein responsible for elasticity in human tissue is not only what keeps your skin looking plump and youthful, it also plays a critical role in supporting many vital organs in the body.
For example, you can contemplate how blood vessels have to expand and contract with every heartbeat, so you need elasticity to rebound those blood vessels. As we breathe in and out, we need, for example, the lung to expand and contract. That needs elastin as well.
Now imagine there was a way to manufacture elastin to help those organs recover faster from injury. That's something Professor Anthony Weiss has turned into reality over the last few decades. He's globally renowned for his discoveries on the building block of elastin known as tropoelastin.
The key thing that we've done has been to make the brick, the building component, which is tropoelastin, and then discover the ways in which we can assemble these components.
They've been able to assemble tropoelastin into synthetic materials that can instruct the body to mend different kinds of soft tissue. The results have been nothing short of remarkable.
We can literally half the time taken for tissue to repair, but it's not only the healing speed. Extraordinarily, and I think this is the most exciting, the quality of healing improves.
In 2005, Professor Weiss founded a company, Elastogen, to turn his research into biotechnologies that could be used in the real world.
Fundamentally, what we're able to do was to be able to scale up production of tropoelastin to very high levels, much more than we could ever make in the lab, at a much lower cost rate as well.
One such technology, Metro, which he developed in collaboration with US colleagues, uses UV light to seal wounds in under 60 seconds.
Suddenly, you get a functional blood vessel that was damaged, sealed up and functioning again, or a lung that suddenly can breathe in and out without air escaping through that hole.
In 2018, Elastogen was sold in one of the biggest healthcare transactions in Australian history. But his work is far from done. Professor Weiss now has 173 granted international patents in 23 patient families under his name. He says it's a field where discoveries continue to be made. In one recent collaboration, his team found that tropoelastin could be injected into heart muscle to help prevent scars from a heart attack.
We demonstrated that particular muscle not only heals up rapidly, but it restores and recovers function beautifully, in contrast to when injection doesn't take place.
For his contributions to Australian science and industry, Professor Weiss has been awarded the Ian Wark Medal from the Australian Academy of Science.
Giving back to society includes being able to discover ways to be able to put what we discover into objects, into products on shelves that make the lives of people around us that much better.